Yo, what's up everybody? Dave Sailor here, Sailor Innovations. What we're going to do today, iPhone 7 Plus charge port replacement. Just give you a couple little glimpses at my card here. So yeah, I'm going to do the charge port replacement today. I'm going to show y'all how to do it. Just overlook my desk. I know it's terrible, but bear with me. Alright, so iPhone 7 Plus, first thing is always first. Heat mat, let it heat. Take out the pin lobes, which I've already done. I was just kind of giving it a quick overlay. I almost forgot to record myself because I just automatically do them, you know. I forgot to wipe my mat down. I'm in a hurry because these people want this done tonight. So I like to wipe it down every time I start. Keeps everything fresh, and you wouldn't believe how much dirt your mat will draw. I mean, it sticks right to it. It's designed, anything it touches, it sticks. You know, so try to wipe your mat down pretty regular. You know, especially right now during all the, disease scares and all that jazz. So here we go. We're gonna go ahead and jump right into it. I've got the pin lobes out using the pin lobe driver. Put that back. Now this is the first series phone that they started doing the tri-wings. So we're gonna put the tri-wing to it right here. Now every other phone before this flips bottom to top like this, but this one, very different. It started the book opening era, and they must have liked it because they kept it. It's all the way to now, relevant. I'm gonna pop this open. We like to start at the home button and go around like this, all the way up. Then when you open it up, watch the adhesive really closely, and then boom, look here. I've worked on this phone before. This is one of my good customers. I do all his repairs. This is his son's phone. Tri-wings, so cover the ribbon shield. It's gonna be the first thing we do. Take those out. I've been using tweezers, even though you really shouldn't, especially with a heat mat, you know. Wow. It's really stuck to it. There we go. Stuck to the bottom of that battery cable. At the top of it, I mean. See how it's done? Yeah. Well, it done that for us. It disconnected the battery, which is always the first thing that you do before you start working on it. And I disconnect that. And now here we're gonna disconnect these. Because we want this whole thing off. We gotta take the entire screen, everything off for this. So now all this has to come out. I like to line my parts up like this, that way it's easy. So, I gotta switch back to the 4-way driver, Phillips head. And I'll have to get the, yeah. That's it, I was just wondering why it was in the wrong spot. Anyway, so, take out comes the Taptic engine. Hold on, before we do this, let's make sure that's what it needs, because he said it needed a charging port. But did we really check that? Look there. Bunch of gunk down in there. I think we might be able to save a repair here. Yeah, look there. All that trash down in there from pockets. Wow, that's such a lot of junk. Damn. Excuse my language, huh? There you go. And it's gross. Wow, it's a lot of junk to be down in your charge port. Wow, still pulling the heather. It's unreal. I'm gonna be super careful as not to touch any of the contacts in there, but yeah. Wow. It's unreal. That's so gross. Do not try this at home, folks. Take it to your local professional or mail it to me. I don't mind a bit to sort you out. But one wrong move and you destroyed your charge port, and we'll have to change it anyway. And try to be very careful while doing this part, because the contacts are all in there. Goodness, look at all that. But anyway, I'm just gonna put this one back together and try it, see where we're at.